doing today? We're going to be going fishing on an adventure.
Woo!
Woohoo! Me and Sarah, we're going to see who can catch the most fish. Probably her, but we'll find out. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. You're doing a good job. Oh. All right, re-rigging Sarah's rod for her because she got hung up there. So while I'm doing that, she's playing over there in the dirt. I'll put this little bitty tube on there for her. See if she can't get something to bite it. And put a little bitty split shot as well on here. Alright, Miss Sarah, we got you rigged whenever you're ready to fish again.
Okay. I can take a break from my experiments.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, make sure I got you untangled here. You are good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll try not to lose it.
Try not to lose it. I would come like right over in here and stand and cast out that way a little bit if I were you. Miss Sarah's on the move again. She's going to have to ride in the bed of the truck. Look at those big old footprints. Alright, first fish of the day caught on the Olaf frozen pole.
What kind of it?
A little sunfish. Will you hold this end of the pole for just a second?
Yeah.
That'd be great. And we'll get the little sunfish off of here.
But I want it. It's a food.
Yeah. There you go. Can you see that little bluegill there? There it goes. First fish of the day.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
Okay. Back to my
All right. We're having a good time now. All right. We're here at place number 2 that we're walking to right now. Trying to get down here to the water. All right. We have made it to the water. I'm going to divvy up the rods here, and we'll see what happens. Fishing pole. Here's your fishing pole.
Thank you.
All right. She goes with the first cast. A little bit deeper water here than what it was the other place we were at. There you go. That was a good cast, Sarah.
Come on.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Trying not to get you with mine. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa, there was something that followed it all the way in on that one. Oh, I just missed it. Something hit it. Good cast, Sarah. Good job. That's what it's all about right there. Good job. Just bringing her out and letting her have a good time. So it's really hard to find spots like this anymore.
I like this place.
Yep. It's hard to find places like this now. We went to a lot of places I used to fish as a kid today, and they had them blocked off to where we couldn't get down to the creek anymore.
That was a good cast, kind of. This bait is good.
You're doing a good job casting it, that's for sure.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that was a good cast. Good job. Way to go. Can you get it up?
Yeah, got it. See, I can even untangle it.
Good job.
Dad, can you get the leaf out of it?
Sure. Just a second. Put that on there.
There's like a leaf in it.
Yep.
Thank
There.
you.
How's that? Good?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Okay, that wasn't unexpected.
She went from fishing to horse riding. Spot number 2. We didn't catch anything, but at least we got to fish for a few minutes down here. So I guess onward we go. See if we can find somewhere we can catch some fish. We ready? Go onward. Find more adventure. More fish. They're out there somewhere. We just got to find them. Sure. All right. At place number 3. This is actually where the creek that we've been fishing all morning flows into Milton Hill. So this is Bull Run Park area. We've been fishing Bull Run Creek all morning. Keep going just a little bit farther, sweetie.
That's all that I can go.
That's all that you can go. And you're going to follow me. Alright. You still with me?
Yeah.
I thought I may have lost you there for a second.
Run!
Let me put this rod right here. Get our 2 little ones here. Alright. You wanting to cast? You wanting to play on the rocks?
Play on the rocks.
You going to play on the rocks? Alright. Kind of figured that was going to be your desire. So Sarah's found her a little tree place to hang out. I think that is pretty cool. Sometimes climbing a tree is funner than fishing, isn't it? Yeah? A lot more fun? She's found her a tree to climb. I don't blame her. I'm about to climb that tree with her.
You can see everything from up here.
You can see everything from up there. Got one. There you go.
That one?
Yeah. Try and keep it from going underneath that log.
You got it. You got it.
There we go. A little striper. Little striper. You want to touch it?
It's slimy.
Slimy?
I think that's pretty good.
Let's see here.
It's slimy. It's kind of pink.
Yep. There we go. Alright, let's put this one back in and say goodbye to that little striper.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright. There it goes. Alright. We got hot and tired, so we stopped to get the coolest drink in town.
Woo! I see.
Alright. We may not have caught a lot of fish, but we got an icy, so that makes it all good, doesn't it? You have a good time?
Without the hot part.
That's the hot part. That's why we had to get the ices. Let's see the tongue. Yep, it's red. How about mine? Red tongue?
Yeah.
Yep. Red tongues. Good times. Had a good time today, and now we're going to go home and get in the pool, cool off. What do we call it again?
Akuma Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
Okay, hold on. Akuma Matata. Don't want to play. Akuma Matata. Ain't no time to play. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a palm tree. Philosophy. Akuma Matata. Akuma Matata.
Oh, fishing with the princess, as she's saying. And that will conclude our fishing trip. Then we're going to go home and get in the pool and try to stay cool. But Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever was my verse this morning. So maybe that'll be a blessing to you. Hope y'all enjoy this video.